Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can be deleting your Mailchimp audience ASAP and very quick and easy. First, make sure to open your Mailchimp account. Second, go ahead to your audience section, and right through here, you'll find every single audience that you do have. Now, for example, this is one audience that I do have, and if I want to delete it, I will just select it, and then I will be clicking on delete. After that, they will ask us if you are sure to delete it and you want it to be deleted permanently. So permanently delete for compliance reasons, or simply archive it for generally, which is generally recommended. In our case, or basically it's really depends on your case, not my case, but for now I'm just gonna be permanently deleting it. Now, once more, once you are going to delete it, you are going to click I understand these contacts can never be imported again or re-imported again, and then permanently let's write it here, delete. As you can see, it needs to be in capital letter, and click on permanently delete. Once we've done that, your audience that you have selected has been deleted. Of course, you can create new ones and add or import contacts. So this is the simplest way with it you can be deleting audience on your Mailchimp account. If you do have any more questions about the audience section, make sure to mention it in the comments below so we can talk about it more briefly and in details. Otherwise, we're going to make more videos about all these sections right here, so make sure to watch our channel, go to our videos, and search for Mailchimp to know more about this platform. That was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see ya in the next video.